I'm Anne from Lim Geomatics, and today I'm going to talk to you about using Service Desk. Once you've been added to Service Desk, you'll receive an invitation email where you can click the link and create your Atlassian Service Desk account. Afterwards, if you need to go into Service Desk, just go to the URL and you'll be at the Lim Geomatics homepage for customer support. You'll have access to all of Lim Geomatics products and solutions that are applicable to you. So let's go into the FPDat II FP Service Desk. To create a ticket, first you'll want to select a category for that ticket, which are listed here. Today, let's add a technical support ticket. You can create a ticket on behalf of someone else within your organization by adding their name there. You'll want to add a summary for the question or issue you are having and a detailed description of everything to do with that item. Specifically, if it has to do with the machine name, the customer database, the serial number and IMEI number, and all of the details pertaining to the question or issue. You can attach files by clicking the Browse button, dragging and dropping the files, or pasting them into the description. You'll want to set the priority of the ticket as high, medium, or low so the ticket is actioned appropriately. If you belong to more than one organization, you can select it from the drop-down list here for who you want to share it with. I actually want to just submit this ticket on my own behalf, so I'll change my name here and then click the Send button. Now we're in the ticket view. The summary is up at the top, followed by the description and the priority. Often when you enter a ticket, the description is collapsed, so you just click on Show Details here. Below that is all of the activity that's happened on the ticket, including comments, responses, or any status updates or changes. When you do respond to a ticket, we will get a notification, so we know to go look at your ticket. On the right-hand side, you can see the status of the ticket. You can turn the notifications for this ticket for yourself on or off, and then you can escalate, resolve, or cancel the ticket. You can see the request type the ticket was added as here, as well as any people or organizations that the ticket's shared with. And if you want to add someone or an organization, just type their name or organization in here and click Add. Once they've been added, they'll receive an email notification. So once you receive that email notification, click on the link to associate your user with this support ticket so you receive all of the notifications and updates. You can also look at any of the tickets you have access to within Service Desk. You click on the Request button and you can pick Created by Me, any of your organizations, or all. So let's pick one of my organizations. And you can see a list here. You can filter these results by entering some text, changing it to a different status, changing the organization or created by, as well as where I am a participant, as well as the request type. So here we can see the FP track types. If you click on your user bubble, you can access your account profile or log out. So let's look at the ticket I just created. For the email notifications, you'll receive one when you've created a ticket, it's been shared with your organization, or you've been added as a requested participant. After that, any updates on those tickets will be sent to you as an email notification. Again, you can turn them off here for a specific ticket with this button. If you want to respond to a ticket or add a comment, you can do so in the Ticket and Service Desk, but you can also reply to the email notification you received, and your reply will automatically get updated in the ticket here, like this. That's all for today. I hope you're excited to use Lim Geomatics Service Desk.